once felt familiar now feels transformed. Power BI Portal now introduces a more refined experience from the very first screen. As you move through the interface, everything feels clearer, lighter, and easier to follow. Navigation is more intuitive, key areas are easier to reach, and every step feels more connected to the overall journey. Reports open into a cleaner, more focused view, where the data takes center stage and the surrounding experience feels simpler and more deliberate. That same clarity continues across the rest of the portal. Managing reports, moving through groups, reviewing access history, and working through settings now feels more structured and more consistent from one screen to the next. Even more advanced areas like configuration, capacity, notifications, and portal AI settings now feel better organized and easier to understand. The result is a portal experience that feels smoother, faster, and more cohesive throughout. This is the new Power BI Portal, refined, guided, intelligent,